Looking to elevate your workspace to a whole new level of luxury and productivity in 2025? The latest office interior design trends combine elegance, innovation, and comfort to create environments that inspire and empower. 1. Luxurious and ergonomic furniture. In 2025, luxury office design puts a strong focus on furniture that combines comfort with style. Ergonomic chairs crafted from premium leather with advanced lumbar support make long workdays much easier. These are paired with desks made from sophisticated materials like polished marble or matte wood that not only look stunning but also provide functional workspace. Designers also emphasize clean, minimalist lines and smart storage solutions to reduce clutter and maintain an elegant atmosphere. Standing desks with seamless height adjustments and built-in cable management are increasingly common, offering both health benefits and aesthetic appeal. 2. Sophisticated color palettes. Color trends for luxury offices in 2025 lean toward earthy, warm tones mixed with metallic highlights. Shades like clay, olive, and sand create a calming yet refined environment. These colors are beautifully accented by gold or brushed brass details that add a touch of glamour. Meanwhile, monochrome palettes using whites, blacks, and grays remain popular for their timeless and professional look, enhanced by sculptural furniture pieces that bring depth and character. Biophilic-inspired greens and natural wood grains are incorporated to promote a soothing atmosphere, while rich blues and burgundy evoke luxury and depth. 3. Biophilic and wellness-focused design. Wellness is now a key driver in luxury office interiors. Biophilic design elements such as living green walls and vertical gardens are not only visually stunning but also improve air quality and acoustics. Large windows and glass partitions maximize natural light, creating uplifting and energizing spaces. Many offices now include dedicated wellness zones designed for meditation, stretching, or relaxation to support mental health during busy workdays. Integrating aromatherapy diffusers and air purifiers completes these wellness areas, making the environment inviting and comfortable for employees. 4. Innovative and layered lighting. Lighting in luxury offices has evolved from purely functional to a central design feature. Combining ambient, task, and accent lighting layers adds richness and depth to the space. Statement pendant lights in elegant finishes such as gold or matte black bring sophistication to work and lounge areas. LED cove lighting embedded in ceilings adds a modern, soft glow that elevates the overall ambience. Smart lighting systems controlled via apps or voice allow customization of brightness and color temperature, helping to create the perfect mood and support productivity throughout the day. 5. Custom personalization and branding. A luxury office should tell a story that reflects the company's identity. Custom wall art, metal logos, and textured wall panels are commonly used to achieve this. Incorporating acoustic materials and sculptural designs adds both beauty and practical sound dampening. Plush rugs with geometric patterns or velvet finishes add warmth and tie together the design elements. Attention to these personalized details ensures that the workspace is not only functional but also impressive and uniquely branded, leaving a lasting impression on clients and visitors. 6. Seamless integration of technology. Technology plays a vital role in the modern luxury office. Meeting rooms are equipped with cutting-edge video conferencing tools, smart whiteboards, and integrated lighting controls to enhance collaboration. Furniture now often includes hidden tech features such as wireless charging pads and pop-up power outlets to maintain a clean look. Voice-activated controls, touchless entry, and advanced security systems contribute to a seamless and secure working environment. Noise-canceling glass and acoustic solutions keep distractions to a minimum, allowing employees to focus on their tasks. 7. Flexible and adaptive space planning. The trend toward flexible workspaces continues to shape office design. Open floor plans are creatively divided using partitions, lighting effects, and floor-level changes, creating zones without interrupting flow. Hybrid workstations support both individual focus and team collaboration, blending personal desk areas with informal meeting corners. Quiet pods offer retreat spaces for concentration, while lounge areas provide casual settings for brainstorming or breaks. Movable glass walls and retractable dividers allow spaces to be easily reconfigured, adapting the office to changing needs and maximizing functionality.